Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get unlimited dice rolls of Monopoly Go. So as you can see guys, my resources are going up like crazy, so I'm going to show you guys how to get a ton completely for free. So let's just give it a minute for it to go ahead and max out, and then I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's get on with the video guys. This is insane and I can't even believe it actually works guys, but it does. So what you want to do guys is go ahead and go to the site monorolls.com. Let me just show you guys on my iPhone that this actually works. So let's just wait for it to go ahead and load here, as you guys can see. And I'm just going to go ahead and go over to the shop and show you guys what's going on. So as you can see guys, my resources are going up like crazy. So I'm going to show you guys how to get a ton completely for free guys. So let's go ahead and get on with the tutorial. And I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. As you can see guys, I have a crazy amount. What the hell, bro? So let's get on with the video. So what you want to do guys is go ahead and go to the site monorolls.com. Alright, so let me just go ahead and show you guys how this site works. So once you're on this site guys, what you need to do is go ahead and fill in how much dice rolls and money you want. So let me just type it in right here guys. It's called monorolls.com. Alright, so it's super cool. So just go ahead and go over to it right here, as you guys can see. Alright, so once you're on this site guys, as I said, what you need to do is go ahead and choose how much money and dice rolls you want to add to your account guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and do it right here. You can go for any amount you want, but I would encourage you guys to have the max. So let me just do that right here, as you guys can see. Alright, and now I'm going to go ahead and choose how much dice rolls to add. And now I'm going to go ahead and fill in my username and select my platform. So let me just go ahead and type this in right here, as you guys can see. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and put it in. And now I just have to go ahead and select my platform. So I'm using an iPhone. And then I'm just going to go ahead and press proceed. Alright, so anyways guys, let's wait for this to load. It's going to say generate. And you just got to go ahead and press generate. And then we should be millionaires. So let's go ahead and wait for this to load right here, as you guys can see. Alright, it's going to connect. It's really easy as well. You don't have to do anything weird. So let's open up the game now and see if we're rich guys. Personally, I think it works, but let's go ahead and see if we're broke or not. So let's open up the game, and yep, they're going up like crazy, guys. So be sure to go ahead, try it out for yourself, get the word out. I'm blown away it actually works, guys, but it does. Super cool. So if this video worked for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it and just get the word out about this method, guys, because it's super insane. I can't even believe it actually works, guys, but it does. So yeah, super cool, guys. Haven't had any problems. So if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it and just get the word out about this method, guys, because it is super cool and it works totally updated, guys. So I'm going to see you guys in a future video. Peace out.